This is Hopewell Footwear. Hopewell has been providing employment to the Durban community for over 5 decades. It is the only factory in the world that makes our Veldskoen. Most of Hopewell staff have been working there for over 25 years. The factory provides a safe, respectful, clean working environment and pays well above South Africa's minimum wage requirements. As a member of SAFLIA and SAFLIC, as well as the National Bargaining Council of the Leather Industry of South Africa, Hopewell Footwear is fully compliant with South Africa's fair labor legislation. Their factory training program teaches unskilled core skills that need to be considered for a position in the factory. These skills include how to safely operate a sewing machine, sort and cut leather, and use the basic assembly tools used in shoemaking. Preferring to empower from inside before looking elsewhere for skills, Hopewell also provides informal training to workers with strong potential to excel at senior supervisory positions or management positions. Hopewell Footwear tries to source as many of its shoe components and raw materials as is possible from local suppliers. Not only does this inject much needed funds into the local economy, but it also lowers the company's carbon footprint. Hopewell's Veldskoen leather suppliers are also fully compliant with South Africa's fair labor laws. Hopewell's Veldskoen leather suppliers use only REACH-compliant chemicals in their tanning processes, protecting their staff, their communities, and the natural environment from damage due to harmful chemicals. To minimize waste, Hopewell does all sole molding in-house, which enables the company to recycle much of its sole material. We are proud to call Hopewell Footwear as our sole provider.